Various countries have repeatedly asked China the real reason for the outbreak of corona. But China is threatening all countries to stop speaking against China. But countries like America, Australia, and Japan are making pressure on China again and again. In return, China has even threatened Australia that if they do not stop speaking against China, China will boycott their goods and service. But recently, there has been a huge development related to this, and in this video, we will talk about the same. WHO's World Health Assembly, whose meeting took place a few days ago, has passed a resolution that now we will form a team which will conduct an independent investigation against China. The major development in this is that the countries which were still silent are now standing against China. For example, the European Union, which was still silent by China's fear because their entire economy is depends on China, is also appealing for an independent investigation. So in this video, we will talk about why there should be an independent investigation against China. Now, since almost all countries want that it should be investigated, and now the European Union has also joined them, so China should also support them, and this will make other countries trust China. But in contrast, the Communist Party of China has opposed this investigation from the beginning. So in this video, we will discuss about 5 reasons why there should be an independent investigation against China. First reason, this is not the first time that a disease has emerged from China and has become a pandemic. It has happened before. Even when SARS was spread in 2002, China was accused of hiding its details. And this allegation was made by a senior doctor of China itself. And now even the head of WHO warned that it is necessary to investigate where the virus originated so that no more viruses can spread in the future. Second reason, China has hiding important data since the beginning. But 23rd January, China had stopped all its domestic flights while international flights were still not stopped. By the time China imposed a lockdown in Wuhan, nearly 5 million people had left Wuhan, many of which were from other countries. So it's a big thing that why China didn't stop international flights despite closing domestic flights. Third reason, now China has controlled any kind of research happening there. Government has ordered that whatever research paper will be released will not be without the approval of the government, and government means Chinese Communist Party. Many countries have demanded live virus sample from China to help in making a vaccine. But China has clearly denied to everyone that they will not share any such information. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has claimed that he has evidence that the virus has spread from China's Wuhan lab. Despite such a big search, China has refused to give access to its lab. Fourth reason, on March 12, the WHO declared it an pandemic. But in January, no one knew that the virus would spread so much. But China started importing PPE kits and masks only in January. In last week of January, China imported 56 million masks from other countries. According to a US Department of Homeland Security intelligence report dated May 1, China intentionally concealed the severity of the outbreak to facilitate its hoarding. Fifth reason, China also stopped its citizens from suing. China, with the help of police and army, suppressed those who were raising their voice against the government. And lawyers have also been told that no one will fight their case. China has also banned online groups formed there which are against them. After all this, everyone is thinking the same. If China is not at fault, then why does they not allowing independent investigation? So it is clear that China must be hiding something. So let's end this video on this note. Thank you.